En el restaurante. In the restaurant. I like to go to el restaurante for dinner. Mi madre likes to go because she no tiene que cocinar. Mi padre doesn't like to spend el dinero. Me gusta to eat different comida. I eat carne, vegetales, and ensalada. If I eat all my cena, I can have helado and galletas for el postre. Mi madre means my mother. No tiene que cocinar means doesn't have to cook. Mi padre means my father. El dinero means money. Comida means food. Carne means meat. Vegetales means vegetables. Ensalada means salad. Cena means dinner. Helado means ice cream. Galletas means cookies. El postre means dessert.